Yeah! Ooh! Now there! 5 little ducks went out to play over the rainbow hill one day. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. All 5 ducklings came running back. Eighty-o,
Eighty-o, oh, oh.
Abba!
All 2, 4 ducklings each turned 4 little ducks, swam through the pond past the flowers and beyond. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 4 came waddling back. Eighty-o, Eighty-o, oh, oh.
Abba!
All 2,
3 ducklings splashed, 3 little ducks jumped in the stream, bubbles sparkled like a dream. Mother duck called quack, 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 quack. Only 3 ducklings came back, Andy-o, oh, oh.
2 ducklings roamed.
Oh, oh, oh.
2 ducklings.
2 ducklings roamed, 2 little ducks went out to roam over the hills away from home. Mother duck called quack, 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 quack. Only 2 ducklings came back, Andy-o, oh, oh.
1 duckling lost.
Oh,
Oh, oh.
oh, oh.
2 ducklings.
1 duckling lost went out to play over the moon and far away. Mother duck called quack, 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 but just 1 duckling found the way back. Aleo,
Oh, ducklings ran.
oh,
Oh, oh.
oh, oh.
2 ducklings.
No ducklings left, no little ducks went out that day. Mother duck cried near the bay. Then she called quack, 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 and all 5 ducklings came running back. Annie-o,
Annie-o, oh, oh.
oh,